Hello friends, my name is Hasib Ansari from HiFiCode.com. Thank you once again for joining me in this video. This is perhaps a very small video, as you can already see with the name of this video's title, Channel Video Indexing. I came up with an idea to index my own video library that is present in this channel or that will be uploaded in future. By doing this, it will be having two benefits from my side, or on my side. I will be organized like on what type of videos to be uploaded and when, and also like on the audience side that will be seeing my channel, they will beforehand come to know like what type of task they can expect or what is the scope of this whole video. And for this, I have this index prepared. Right now, in total, I have 40 questions in the list or in the index, and this is not limited to these 40 questions. I will also update this index as and when required. So if I feel that there is some topic that is left out, then I will also add it in between and update this index. So this will be really helpful for those who are very new to my channel, because they can directly refer to this index and they will get the whole idea or the picture what the channel will be speaking in future, or they can also know whether this channel is at all whether at all interested for them. And the comment section is also open for any suggestions, like to add some topics into this index. It will be really welcomed. And yeah, with this thing I will like to conclude this short video, and I hope if you like any topics from the list or from the index, you will subscribe to my channel and like the upcoming videos. Thank you very much for staying with me, and stay blessed and stay tuned. Bye.